In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a payment method in MailChimp. Whether you're looking to update your payment details, switch to a different card, or simply remove an old payment method, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Managing billing information in MailChimp is straightforward when you know where to look, but it can be a little tricky to navigate if you're unfamiliar with the platform. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to update your payment settings, and I'll also share a few tips to help you troubleshoot any issues along the way. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to MailChimp's website. You can do this by typing mailchimp.com into your browser's address bar. Once the website loads, you'll need to log into the MailChimp account where you want to adjust the billing details. Enter your email address and password for the account, and if you have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure to complete that step as well. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the MailChimp dashboard, which serves as the central hub for managing your campaigns, contacts, and account settings. Now, take a look at the upper right corner of the dashboard. You'll see your user account icon there. It might be your profile picture or just a default avatar. Click on that icon to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option labeled Account. This will take you to your account management area, where you can access various settings including billing, security, and other administrative tools. Once you're in the Account section, look for the Billing or Account and Billing area. The exact wording may depend on the version of MailChimp you're using, but it's typically easy to spot. Click on this section to open up the billing settings for your account. This is where all of your payment information is stored and managed. Within the Billing section, locate the option that says Billing Information. This is where you'll find details about your current payment method, such as the credit or debit card associated with your account. Click on Billing Information to view these details. Now that you're looking at the payment information, you'll see the card that is currently linked to your account. Look to the right of the card details and you should see an option to remove the payment method. Click on the Remove button. At this point, MailChimp will display a confirmation pop-up to make sure you really want to remove the payment method. This step is important because removing your payment method without adding a new one could disrupt any active paid plans you have with MailChimp. If you're sure you want to proceed, go ahead and confirm the removal. However, if you don't see the Remove option next to your payment method, don't worry. There are a couple of reasons why this might happen. First, MailChimp requires at least one valid payment method on file if you have an active paid plan. In this case, you'll need to add a new payment method before you can remove the old one. To do this, simply select the option to add a new card and follow the prompts to enter the new payment details. Once the new card is successfully added, you should be able to remove the old one without any issues. Alternatively, if you're not planning to continue using a paid plan, you'll need to cancel your paid subscription first. After the subscription is canceled, the option to remove the payment method should become available. And that's it. Once you've completed these steps, your payment method will be successfully removed from your MailChimp account. It's always a good idea to double-check your billing section afterward to ensure everything looks correct and up to date. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.